Hey guys, I'm back. I know it's been like 4 years. Please don't judge me, but I promise I'll be posting more videos and more content here on YouTube for my beautiful YouTube people. But those who are new, welcome. My name is Artasia. Everyone calls me Tay. And as you can see by the title of the video, basically I'm just gonna be giving some tips and pointers and tea and details on how I fixed the separation in my lip glosses. So first we're just gonna start off with some Clorox wipes and wipe our area down that we're gonna be working in. Clorox wipes are a must. Cleaning, sanitizing your area is a must. 100% must. Period. That's it. I feel like a video like this was like super long overdue, especially if you're just starting out your lip gloss business and you're actually making your glosses yourself and not buying them wholesale from other people. So here's glosses that I already like filled in the squeeze tube. Yeah, see the separation? I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, so that's a no-no. I mean, and it happens. Like, it does happen. It's making lip glosses is trial and error. Like, it really is. Just like everything else you make from home, from scratch, from the start, it's all trial and error. So it is completely okay. But completely fixable. Watch this. So what I'm doing here is just basically taking the product back from out of the squeeze tube bottles and putting it back in the bowl. The blow. The glosses that was already in the squeeze tube bottles, the separation gloss, I am not going to use the same squeeze tube bottles. Those bottles are now garbage. Yeah, so that's money down the drain.
But it's cool because we don't make that back, baby. Right.
I totally forgot to put napkin up under all of this. Even though we cleaned it, we still need napkins. Still need something up under it because gloss will get everywhere. I'm telling y'all.
On my list this year for Christmas, I just want me a 50 clip on the Glock, the shoe like it's infinite. Nigga, how about the whole gang in the spot? Don't bring your bitch in it. They say it's a long way to the top, I feel like I'm skipping it. That's all my soul, that's word of my pops, ain't never had a trip for shit. Back in the day, used to dream about a brand new watch and a big ass crib and shit. Post a pic on the gram, they love who I am, they get to just clicking shit. Tell me I'm tripping when I started rapping, I know. I tell them I'm different, I know, that's what I'm gifted with.
Okay, and we back. So I have poured all of the gloss into the bowl. I'm just taking this white pigment from TKB Trading and just adding a little bit more white to get the desired color that I want. Like I said, trial and error, so it's better to add a little than a lot. Well, how they say it, it's better to add than take away. Yeah, that. Do y'all see that beautiful peachy color? It's so cute. So now that I got the color that I originally aimed for, I'm gonna now go ahead and add some lip gloss base. The lip gloss base that I'm using is from TKB Trading. So yeah, lip gloss separation comes from basically adding too many oils or, you know, too much of each product or whatever you're adding to your you know, to make your glosses. You always want to make sure, you know, if you're eyeballing it, you eyeball it good, or, you know, if you're doing measurements, that you make sure all your oils measure out to the same measurement, so you don't get that separation in your gloss. And I also, from experience, suggest that, when making new glosses, that, new shades or new colors, or making new glosses, or making a gloss period, before you fill them in the tubes and waste, money because you don't know if it's going to separate or not, you just, put it in a container and let it sit overnight, and then you'll see, if it separates or not. Let's get into the gloss, baby. You see how in the beginning of the video, you can rewind back, in the beginning of the video when it was so runny, and now being that I added more of the lip gloss base, I got the actual texture that I was looking for. And don't get me wrong, some people like a runny gloss, some people like a sticky gloss, some people like in between, it just all depends on, what your customers like and what you prefer. You can always have collections of different glosses, a non-sticky gloss, a sticky gloss. So it really just depends on you. But I just really wanted to get on here and show you guys how I personally fix the separation in my gloss. And now I'm going to put it in a container and let it sit overnight just to be on the safe side, and show you guys what it looks like after being set in a bowl overnight for 24 hours. But this is a swatch before I let it sit, because I had to swatch it. Y'all know I had to swatch it. A little slow-mo. Yeah, see? Hey guys, so we're back the next day. It's the next day. Y'all see there's no separation in the gloss. I'm gonna open it. It smells so good when I open it. It's infused with a guava scent. Here's some pictures and a photo dump of the after I filled them again. And here's a mixing video. It's just so satisfying looking at these videos. Poo is now up on the website, so please go check that out. Thank you again for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment below. Make sure you subscribe, click that notification button so you could be notified every time I post. Later, guys.